A full calibration requires 3 standards. A 100 NTU, 10 NTU, and 0.02 NTU are needed. The MTOL Plus offers quick calibration that requires approximately 25 milliliters of standard solution and 2 minutes to complete. If readings above 10 NTU are not required, the step for 100 NTU can be omitted. In this case, the last valid 100 NTU calibration value will be used for any reading above 10 NTU. To start, press the up or down arrow until Cal is displayed, then select Mode using the center button. The instrument will display 100. Insert the 100 NTU standard and press the center button. The instrument will count down 30 seconds and then will display 10. Next, remove the 100 NTU standard and insert the 10 NTU standard. Press the center button. The display will count down 60 seconds and then display 0.02. Remove the 10 NTU standard and insert the 0.02 NTU standard. The display will count down 30 seconds. The calibration process is now complete. The MTOL Plus will automatically enter the auto mode for routine turbidity measurement. The MTOL Plus only stores successful calibrations. If the calibration fails, the instrument will use the last valid calibration. HF Scientific manufactures EPA-approved ProCal turbidity standards specifically for the MTOL Plus. Traditional formats and standards can be used if desired.